Chapter 17, Punctuations. Learn with me. Understanding adjectives. Look at these sentences. 1. The beautiful garden is full of colorful flowers. Adjectives: beautiful, colorful. Explanation: beautiful describes the garden's aesthetic appeal and colorful highlights the variety of colors in the flowers. 2. She has a large collection of rare books. Adjectives: large, rare. Explanation: large refers to the collection size and rare denotes the uniqueness of the books. 3. The tiny puppy is playing with a red ball. Adjectives: tiny, red. Explanation: tiny shows the puppy's small size and red specifies the ball's color. Explanation of adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or add information about nouns. They enhance communication by telling us about the size, shape, color, taste, smell, numbers, and quantity of a noun. Examples: Anushka's friend is very tall. An elephant is more powerful than a monkey. I have invited 8 friends to my birthday party. My grandma likes to wear a red shawl. The word tall describes Anushka's friend. Powerful describes the elephant. 8 describes the number of friend. And red describes grandma's shawl. Adjectives enrich language by creating clearer and more vivid picture in both writing and speech. Types of adjectives. 1. Adjectives of quality. 2. Adjectives of quantity. 3. Adjectives of number. 4. Demonstrative adjectives. 5. Interrogative adjectives. 6. Possessive adjectives. Adjectives of quality. These adjectives describe the nature or characteristics of a noun. It answers the question, what kind of? Examples: Arpita is a good singer. The brilliant student won the award. She made a delicious cake. Note: an adjective can appear before or after a noun. Example: this is a new shirt. This shirt is new.